TradingView versus MetaTrader 5. Which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without unnecessary complexity. Both TradingView and MetaTrader 5 offer unique features for traders. TradingView and MetaTrader 5 are two leading trading platforms. TradingView focuses on advanced charting and social trading, while MetaTrader 5 combines multi-asset trading with automated strategies. The core difference lies in TradingView's web-based approach versus MetaTrader 5's desktop application. TradingView is a web-based charting and social trading platform designed to provide powerful market analysis tools accessible from anywhere. It offers a vast selection of customizable charts, technical indicators, and drawing tools, making it ideal for traders who prioritize visual market insights. TradingView's social network allows users to share ideas and follow other traders, creating a collaborative environment. Its cloud-based nature means no installation is required and updates are seamless. However, TradingView's trading execution depends on broker integration, which can limit direct order placement for some users. It is best suited for traders who value intuitive charting, idea sharing, and cross-device access without needing complex automated trading features. MetaTrader 5 is a comprehensive desktop trading platform offering multi-asset trading including forex, stocks, and futures. It supports advanced order types, real-time market data, and in-depth technical analysis tools. One of its strongest features is the ability to develop and deploy automated trading strategies using its built-in programming language, MQL5. MetaTrader 5 also provides a built-in economic calendar and supports algorithmic trading, making it a favorite among professional traders. Unlike TradingView, MetaTrader 5 requires installation but offers robust offline functionality and direct broker connectivity for order execution. Its interface can be complex for beginners, but it excels for users needing detailed control over trading and automation. MetaTrader 5 is ideal for experienced traders and those focused on algorithmic trading and multi-asset portfolios. TradingView and MetaTrader 5 serve different trader needs. TradingView shines with its intuitive web-based interface and social features, perfect for chart-focused traders and those wanting to exchange ideas. It's excellent for quick market analysis on any device, but less suited for direct trade execution without supported brokers. MetaTrader 5, on the other hand, offers deeper trading functionality with multi-asset support and powerful automation capabilities through MQL5. It requires installation, but provides tighter broker integration and more control over orders. For traders prioritizing social engagement and charting flexibility, TradingView is the better choice. For those needing advanced order types, automated strategies, and multi-asset trading, MetaTrader 5 is the preferred platform. Choose TradingView if you want accessible, visually rich charting and social trading features without complex setup or heavy automation needs. Opt for MetaTrader 5 if you require a powerful desktop platform with advanced order execution, multi-asset support, and automated trading capabilities. Both platforms excel in their domains, so select based on your trading style and priorities for the best experience.